How to add WhatsApp button on Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you have switched to your Facebook page. After that, all you need to do is tap on the hamburger icon and then tap on the settings. As you tap on settings and privacy, scroll down and under the option of permission, you can see the option of linked accounts. So tap on linked accounts and here you can see the option of WhatsApp. So tap on WhatsApp and here you just need to enter your phone number. Just mention the phone number over here and then tap on send code to WhatsApp. So as you tap on send code to WhatsApp, it will send a code. So you just have to wait for a while until it sends the code to your WhatsApp. So let's check on the WhatsApp over here. So let's just enter it. And as you do that, it will start checking and verifying the code, and there you go, you have connected your WhatsApp account. So just tap on done. And here you have created a WhatsApp ad. So you can just create a WhatsApp ad as well. If not, you can just go back by tapping on not now and you can send link to WhatsApp and you can create a post as well. So there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.